Hey guys, it's me, your favorite channel. Thank you guys for tuning back in. It is now Saturday, April 6th, the day before I leave for Dominican Republic for my mommy makeover. So I'm going to show you guys what I have in my suitcase packed, ready to go. So of course I have my neck pillow. Then I have my pajamas, my onesie for the airport, so I'm nice and cozy. I have my Hiba cleanse to wash my body the night before surgery and the morning of surgery. I have my Chatterbait hat because it's gonna be hot out there, and of course I want to protect myself from the sun at all times. And my Yukon hat. I have my little boxer shorts for after surgery, and my cozy robe, of course. I have a few chucks for the bed, so I won't get anything on the bed. I'll be having a private room, and it won't be any hospital bed, so I'll have to put these on there to protect myself, to protect the lining from leaking, my blood leaking and stuff like that. Then another little pair of shorts just because to walk around in, so my coochie won't be out. Of course, a cute little headband, a hair scarf to wrap my hair up, compression socks, very important.
Very important.
Come closer, princess.
Okay, mommy. Right here?
Yeah, can you see me good? Okay, good. So, of course, 2 pairs of socks. They do wash your laundry there. Some slippers.
Who put that in your bag, Mom?
Yeah, my mama gave me.
No, that.
Okay, so I have my stage 2 faja right here. My doctor will be providing my stage 1 faja, and I'm bringing my stage 2 faja for when I'll be staying out there for 2 weeks. So once I get my first faja washed, I'll have a backup one to put on so I can be compressed at all times. I have another thing of pajamas. And then just a few tank tops. They told me to bring tank tops to wear underneath my faja. So I have 6 to 8 of those.
Mom, what do they mean by under your faja?
So you're gonna put the tank top on. So I will put the tank top on first and then put my faja on over it so it won't rub my skin and stuff like that.
Oh.
Yeah. And let's see, I got my slides to be walking around in. I put them in a bag just so they won't dirty up my clothes and stuff like that, you know. Then I have a wrap. Just a wrap to wrap myself up with. A few sundresses to wear once I go see my doctor and stuff like that so I can look proper. And then big shirts. So this is mostly what I'll be wearing over my faja while I'm out there. It's just big shirts so I'm comfortable. When I go out, if I feel up to it, I brought this belt to tie around my waist. It's not too tight or anything like that. So it'll be the big shirt with the belt just to make it look kind of like it's a dress or whatever. Yep, so that's it. And then I have snacks, so gum for the plane. Some little munchy stuff for the plane while I'm on the plane and stuff like that. This is my hygiene bag, mouthwash, toothbrush, creams and stuff. And then let's see. In here I have my arnica gel. I have arnica oil for my massages. I have my tape for my gauzes to clean my wounds and stuff like that. I have antibacterial soap to use after surgery, just to keep myself from collecting bacteria on my body. I have some shea butter that I made. Some shea butter, some natural shea butter with some almond oil in there to keep my body moisturized. I also have some yeast infection cream just in case, because everybody knows once you start taking antibiotics, you might get yeast infections, you might not, and I want to be prepared. I don't want to have to like be trying to figure out what's going on and shit like that. I already want to take care of that, nip that in the bud right away. So then what else I got? Okay, so then I got feminine cleansing wash, feminine hygiene wash wipes, because of course everybody knows after surgery I won't be able to take a shower for the first few days. So I want to make sure my coochie is clean. I have gloves. I'm making sure the nurses, when they come touch me, they change their gloves. Don't come in there with no gloves on, ladies, thinking you're going to touch me. I'm not that type. So just a few little gauzes just in case they don't have any or whatever. A soap holder and some silver sulfidine cream to help with my lipo itch. Like everybody gets an itch after they get liposuction, so this is gonna help keep the itching down. So that's that. And then up here I have more snacks, some chocolate, some fat-free gummies. Then I have
some mouth
cough drops. Girl, be quiet. Then I have some cough drops for after surgery. Like, I heard your throat starts hurting and stuff like that. And like, with me getting ready to have a tummy tuck, I'm not trying to be coughing and stuff like that. So I need to suppress that if that is the case. 2 different kind of toothpastes, just because I am going to be out there for 2 weeks. So I'm guessing each one will last about a week. More gloves, of course. Like, I'm going all the way prepared. Just some little deodorant. Some pads, some maxi pads for to help with my tummy tuck and shizzing. And I have a Go Girl. So this is a female urinal, of course, because I won't be able to be sitting down freely like I want to be. So when I have to go pee, you already know what's up. I'm just gonna put this right there like bloop and go pee. So then it's gonna be easier for me because my faja will have a slit in it in order for me to use the bathroom easily with that. Then here's my carry-on bag. So in my carry-on bag, this is just to help me transition from the United States to the Dominican Republic, you know, transferring on these airplanes and stuff. I have my headphones, of course. I have a blanket. I have more snacks. Like, honey, I'm going prepared with the snacks, like on some real shit. Just because I know I'm not going to be able to eat like that afterwards anyway. So I want to be as comfortable as possible while I'm in this transition. Of course, my folic acid, vitamin C, and my iron pills I was instructed to take 2 months prior to my surgery. So, of course, more snacks, gum, my little makeup bag, because you already know what's up. Once I start feeling better, I'm definitely putting a face on so I can come on and talk to you guys again and let you guys know, give you guys an update on how I'm feeling and what's been going on out there and stuff like that. So I heard the weather was going to be about 80 plus degrees. So I'm bringing my shades, honey. You already know. So, you know, I got this for when I'm on the plane and don't feel like being disturbed, or at the, in my room, anywhere. Like, I don't want to be disturbed. So I'm bringing that. And did I show you guys my my little doggy? Oh, I didn't show you guys my little doggy. But I brought my little doggy. So what it is I sleep with stuffed animals. Like, for some reason they elevate my head to the proper height it needs to be in order for me to get a good night's sleep and stuff like that. So I brought that one, and I also brought this one, my cute little turtle. So it won't be both at the same time. It'll be either or that I'll be sleeping with. And yes, a bitch does read. So I will be reading on my downtime. I got a ring light just in case it's dark in my room at night and I want to get on live or something like that. I have this wonderful body butter made by Tanika Brown, and you can contact her at Empty Plate Body on Instagram to get your own personal cream for your body. Of course, I have a notebook. I'll be documenting everything. I'll be documenting everything written as well as visual. So that's what's happening. And I got some business cards just in case I run into any fans of mine or anybody that wants some business cards, which you guys can also follow me on Twitter at one sexual chocolate without the E at the end of chocolate. You can follow me on Instagram at sexual1chocolate, and you can follow me on many bids at sexual1chocolate as well. Yeah, so you guys make sure you guys are following me on all my social media outlets. You guys, if you guys would like to send me any gifts, I do have an Amazon wish list. So you guys can go to Amazon, type in sexual chocolate, and then there you'll find my wish list, and you guys can send me gifts if you like. If you guys would like to send me cash to help out towards my recovery, you guys can send me cash to my Cash App at $sexual C. And that is it. Oh, I can't forget. This is very important. This is like probably the most important thing. Your passport. Like, you have to have your passport. Otherwise, they won't let you enter their country. They won't even let you get close onto that plane. They're going to be like, girl, what you doing? Bye. So, so what I do want to show you guys is my before pictures. So I'm going to show you guys my body before, what it's looking like before surgery. So here's what I look like before surgery. Front and back.
You mean side?
Inside. So, thank you guys for joining me. I hope you guys press the like and subscribe button, and make sure you guys are following me. Good night.